How to post and comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply search for the group. You'll find this kind of screen pop up on group. Click on Write Something. In Write Something, you'll find Post Anonymously. Simply turn that on and then press on Got It. In here you can add photo, video, camera, check-in, feeling, activity, anything, or simply type in and click on post at the top right, and then you're good to go. This is how to post and comment anonymously on Facebook group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.